Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an API key, CORS enabled on the endpoint, and HTTPS. Next, create a minimal HTML5 file and add a single script tag. Once done, avoid placing secrets in client code. Instead, proxy requests through a small server or use a short-lived token. This first action gets you past the biggest security trap, while letting you test responses in the browser immediately. So you can move into constructing requests safely, and now you construct the request in the page. Use fetch with method, content type, and authorization headers, and supply a JSON body when needed. Make the function async and await response. JSON, then check status codes before using data. Once you process success, update DOM elements responsively. Also implement basic backoff and retries to honor rate limits. These middle steps handle the messy parts: parsing, error branches, and UI updates, so your integration remains robust under load. Finish by moving secrets off the client. Implement a tiny proxy endpoint that attaches the API key server-side, and have the HTML call that proxy. Once done, add graceful UI messages for loading, success, and failure states. Make sure to log useful errors to the console for debugging. If something goes wrong, check CORS headers, network tab, and status codes. Simulate 500 and 429 responses. That single troubleshooting tip: inspect network and headers, solves most integration failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.